Hello everyone, this is Roshni studying in Daru class in our Shishanti Niketan English Medium School, Gorinta. Today I am explaining about oxen helps in bunny. Aim to prove oxen helps in a bunny. Material required 2 candles glass. 2 candles glass. Traditional. Take 2 bunny candles. One candle is covered with a glass. One candle is covered with a glass. Observe the both candles. The candle goes out for some time. But the remaining candle is still burning. Conclusion. Because it has oxygen. So oxygen helps in burning. Thank you everyone.